Are you curious why decluttering is important? Today's topic is decluttering. Hello and welcome back to Productive Hour, where we fight mediocrity together. Before starting, if you have not subscribed, you are missing. Click on the subscribe button and turn on that notification. When we think about simplifying and decluttering our room, first and foremost thing come to our mind is what to get rid of. Same scenario is applicable to our life, where the components are both space and mind. And decluttering your mind is equally important as of the space. There are many things in your life that you want to get rid of. It's just you're too clingy and attached to them that you are unable to. Do you still have those pants that doesn't fit you and you believe someday they will? The sweater that you haven't worn in past 2 years. Yes, my friend, you are cluttering the space and mind. So why do we need to declutter? It has been observed that if someone keeps a thing that he she needs rather than his her wants, they tend to be happier. And we will call them minimalists or essentialists. However, declutter actually means better organization. With lesser things, you have a better organization guaranteed. So why do we need decluttering or organization? So the simple answer is less stress. If we live in a decluttered space, we tend to have less stress and more value in our life. Decluttering automatically leads to better budget and debt management. Comment below if you want me to take this as a separate topic and make a video on it. Additionally, better organization is directly related to less cleaning, right prowlers? So you follow this to lead to more time for value addition in your life. As they say, everything is naturally decluttered. However, it is our perspective that shows how messy things are. So let's jump to how to declutter. Step 1. Take one step at a time. Do not just barge in every room of your house and start throwing things away. Decluttering is a process. Start small and one section at a time. For example, pick your bookshelves on one day and your wardrobe on the other. Slowly and gradually you will see things will get into the line. Step 2. Find your people. Discuss about the process of decluttering with your family and friends. Have ideas from them and teach them about its benefits. The more the people around support the idea, the better the results will be. Step number 3. Visualize. Before starting out the process, just visualize the transformation you have in mind and start thinking around the line. You'll realize that things will automatically start coming into picture. Step number 4. Learn to organize. Organization is the most important part of decluttering process. You cannot just throw everything away. You need to learn to keep everything in an optimizing space. For example, 3 boxes horizontally acquire more space compared to vertical placement. Just a pro tip. Step number 5. Start as a game. You need to enjoy decluttering. Since the starting seems to be difficult, start by giving yourself challenges. For example, 30 days challenge where you divide your things into 30 categories. And every day you organize one of them. Or one of my favorites, as mentioned by my favorite Joshua Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus from The Minimalists. You get rid of one thing on day 1 and 2 on day 2 and so on for 30 days. I'll leave the link for the 30-day minimalism game in the description. Step number 6. Your mobile and laptop need the same attention and procedure. Many of us think if we keep our room clean and organized, we are sorted. However, we are wrong. 2 things that we spend a lot of time on every day are phone and laptops. You need to organize both of these too for your daily use in such a way that they make you more productive than being distracted. One pro tip, keep the notification as minimum as you can. Comment below if you want me to make a video on mobile and laptop organization. Step number 7. Take before and after photos. It is especially important to be motivated in the whole process. And one thing that I love to be motivated throughout the process, be it any, is taking before and after result photos. You can apply this principle anywhere, be it your fitness goal, decluttering, or making notes for exam. This always encourages you for more. Step number 8. read about organization and minimalism. Now that you know the basics of decluttering or minimalism, I encourage you to read about these topics. You can read about it in books and blogs, or you can watch videos and always come back for more on Productive Hour. The best recommendations I can give you right now are Minimalism by Milburn and Nicodemus and The Joy of Less by Francine J. Just go to the description and you'll get the links for the books. And the last, be proud. If you have followed above step, you have already come a long way. Be proud of yourself and you are on the way towards happy, simple and a productive life. And as always, for sticking till the end, there's a bonus fact. You may think you are not bothered by your overstuffed filing cabinets or the stacks of paper on your desk, but scientists at Princeton University Neuroscience Institute have shown that our brains like order and that constant visual reminders of disorganization drain our cognitive resources and reduce our ability to focus. They also found out that when a participant cleared clutter or decluttered from their work environment, they were better able to focus and process information and their productivity increased. Thank you for the time, Prowlers. Like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.